In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your LinkedIn profile to reflect your status as a student. This is a great way to highlight your academic journey and make sure potential employers or connections can see your educational endeavors front and center on your profile. Let's start by heading over to linkedin.com and signing into your account. If you don't have a LinkedIn account, you'll need to create one to follow along. Once you're logged in, take a look at the top right corner of the page where you'll see your profile icon. Give it a click and a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, you'll want to select View Profile. This action will take you to your personal profile page where you'll be able to make the necessary updates. Now, once you're on your profile page, scroll down until you find the Education section. In LinkedIn, this section is dedicated to showcasing your academic achievements and any ongoing studies. If you don't already have an education entry, you'll see an option to add education. Clicking this will open a form where you can enter your academic information. This form is where you'll input details about your education. Start by typing the name of your school. Be as specific as possible to make sure the correct institution is displayed. After that, move on to typing in your degree. Whether you're working towards a bachelor's, master's or any other kind of degree, ensure it's clearly listed to inform visitors of your educational pursuits. Next, you'll select your field of study from the available options. This step helps to specify what area you're focusing on in your educational journey. After your field of study, you'll enter the start date of your studies, both the month and year. Following that, you'll enter the expected end date, again including the month and year. This is crucial for people to understand where you are in your academic timeline, particularly if you're still studying. Additionally, you can enter your grade if you have one, though this field is optional. You also have the chance to input any activities and societies you are a part of. This could include clubs, teams or other groups which can demonstrate your involvement and skills outside of academics. Furthermore, there's a section where you can enter a description. Use this space to provide more detail about your achievements, skills or experiences. It's a chance to add personality and context to your education section. Then, before wrapping up, consider adding any relevant skills and media that might showcase your academic endeavors or projects. Finally, once you've filled out all the necessary information to reflect your student status accurately, click the Save button, and there you have it. Your LinkedIn profile now proudly represents your status as a student, potentially opening up new networking and career opportunities.